Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace a defective lock. This lock is defective. It can lock easily, but it's very difficult to open. Over time, it has become worn out, and as you can see, it's very difficult to open. The key is already twisting. It's only a matter of days before it's become broken. So the first step is to dismantle, remove all the screws. I'm using a handle, so the process is a bit faster. If you have a Phillips screwdriver, it will work just fine. So put into reverse, remove the screws. Remove these side pieces, and now I can pull out. So this has become rusted. Here I have a new lock. It's different, but it will work. So no time to pull neatly. The next step is to remove the inside knob. Unfortunately, I don't have a recording of this. However, I did record a video at the end to show you how to do it. So this is how you remove the inside knob. Use the tiny key provided to depress the release mechanism, which is close to the neck of the knob. So I've removed the inside knob. The next step is to install the latch. I'm installing the latch. Then to install the lock. And also this should be midway, so I remove a little bit to make sure it's aligned, it's in the center. So I've installed the lock and the latch. Next is to install the screws to secure the latch. I will use a screwdriver for this because I don't want to run the risk of reaming out the screws. And when you install your latch, it should be this beveled surface should be installed to where the door would close. So when it comes against the door jamb, it depresses and locks. So this is my inside rows, and I will fit it just like this. There are screw holes provided. Fit the screws supplied, these larger screws, and just like that. I first try to secure one. Again, I prefer to use a screwdriver because I don't want to run the risk of framing these out. And it's very important that the lock is centered. So tighten simultaneously. It's a little bit deformed, but it's okay. See how freely that goes. Next is to install the outside rows. So all we're doing here is to tighten. The final part is to install the knob. For install the knob, make sure this is pulled all the way out. Look for the impression in the knob and align it to where the groove is. And just like that, press down. That's it. So it's fully functional. See? It comes back out. And now we're going to test with the key. Alright. Simulate the door being locked. You cannot turn the knob. Try the key, and that's it. As simple. So that's how you replace a door lock. Thanks for watching. See you next time.